my sweet friends, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. What I have for you today is another amazing Dollar Tree haul. You're not going to want to miss this one. I found some new finds, at least they're new to me, and I think you're really going to enjoy it, okay? But first, let me say the snow has started melting here. If you missed my Valentine's Decorate With Me in my dining room and drink station, I put that up yesterday, and I'll link it in the description box below, but I included at the end of that pictures of the snow here in Florida. It was amazing, and like I said, it started snowing on Tuesday, and today is Sunday. And there's still some snow out there in front of the house. So I think that's pretty amazing. It's basically where it's in the shade. So I just wanted to give you a little update on the snow. We loved it. We had so much fun, and so did little Maggie, okay? Let's hop into this because I found some really new and good finds, all right? I found 2 items, and I believe they were $5, but the rest is $1.25, okay? Look at this. If you would see this, it's a 20-inch topiary for Easter. If you would see this, and it was $5, if you'd see this out, like at Hobby Lobby, anywhere like that, Michael's, you pay a lot more. Has these beautiful eggs in this pastel, like a peachy pink, this beautiful purple, and and then this like little greenish teal. It's beautiful. I think it's well made. I think it is gorgeous. And I bought this. I think I'm going to put it on my drink station for Easter. But is that not a beautiful find for $5? Dollar Tree is totally upping their game. When I went in our store, everything was so organized. I'm loving seeing the changes at the Dollar Tree. So I picked this up. Then this is my next $5 find, and like I said, then after that will just be $1.25. This is battery operated. It's Peeps. The Peeps 10-inch LED candle. Would that not be beautiful to put in a child's Easter basket? Then they could set it in their room for a nightlight or anything. I think this is adorable. Came in pink, I believe in a blue, and then this yellow. Look at that, how cute. And if you were able to get that Peeps tumbler that I hauled quite a while ago, a couple weeks ago, it sold at Walmart for $24 and something. If I can see comparable things like this to show you the value you're getting at the Dollar Tree, I'll pop it on the screen. But look at this. I love it. Then check this out. I found a year of date nights. I think they've had this before, but I think this is so cute. It says it's date night. 52 date ideas. Let's just open this. Top says 52 fun things to do on date night. Take a Sunday bike ride. Visit the site of your first date. Wouldn't that be fun to kind of like, oh, I have a great idea. You could get this and like put it strategically in your house for Valentine's or leading up to Valentine's. And then when they find it, you go do that. I think that would be beautiful. It's date night. What's this one say? Okay, coffee shop, comedy show, watch the sunrise, go to a sporting event, just different things like that. It's so creative and such a good idea. I love it. So you could just do this and have a month of date nights like this if you wanted. Bowling, just whatever. I think this is a great idea to put, or you could put it in like a Valentine's gift basket like those I did the other day. I think it was yesterday. But anyway, $1.25, great idea. All right. Then I found, I have never seen this in my Dollar Tree, heatless curling set. Now you get one of these for $1.25. I've seen some people take their leggings and wrap it in their hair, but this includes 1 hair rod and 2 hair elastics for beautiful damage-free curls. So there's that. If you haven't seen it and you're interested, go pick it up. It just says directions on either wet or dry parted hair. Place rod over your hair like a headband. Starting from the top, twist sections of the hair around the rod away from your face. And you just keep going like that. But I think that is a good idea. You'd probably need, I would think, maybe more than one. I really don't know. Okay. Then I picked up, I love the other Power Stick. I can't say that. I picked up the other Power Stick shower gel. This is Amber Rouge, okay? This is a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro, I'm pretty sure. I can never say that. Oh, I love that. Power Stick for her shower gel, Amber Rouge, with notes of jasmine, saffron, and amberwood. Dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. 16 fluid ounces. This smells really good. I have the other one in our shower, and I like it too. I really think I'm going to love this one. Then I picked up some Ghirardelli Hearts Creme Brulee. I love this. I think it will be so good. So, and you get 4.1 ounces, and I think it's going to be delicious. Then I'm looking forward to spring, and so I thought, I love coneflowers, and for $1.25 I saw this, and it's a coneflower grow kit. Includes pot, seeds, growing medium, and instructions. And I thought after I got it so far, I could take it out there in my planter by the pool and put it out there because I would love to see them. I think that's a good idea for $1.25. And then I love Cosmos, okay? Now I wanted to find it in this because I thought I might have better chances growing. It just looks more substantial for some reason. So I got this for $1.25. Pollinators Save the Planet. Includes pot, seed packet, growing medium, and instructions. I'll have to let you know once it warms up here how that turns out. Then I wanted to get a little safety scraper with blades for $1.25. These are so good if you got to get something off the window, like a sticker or something. These come in very handy. You get 5 extra blades, and it's by Tool Bench, okay? Then my cords drive me crazy to my computer and everything and printer. So I got these cable flags, okay? And it says phone line, network, mouse, speakers. I have a wireless mouse, so that doesn't really help. A scanner's in my computer, but the printer, the computer would work. But I thought this would be really good. And it says also available computer cables pack, home kitchen pack, office pack, home theater pack, home tools pack, and DIY blank pack. I'm going to have to keep an eye out for those, but that's what they look like. I thought for $1.25, it was definitely worth trying. All right, then I picked up these little 60 white string tags from Jot, $1.25. They would be good, like if you do craft fairs, you could put this for prices, or if you have a booth where you sell furniture or anything like odds and ends, vintage things, you could use that to put the prices on, or it's great to craft with. So I thought that was a good deal. Then I picked this up. It is a soap saver for $1.25. We use shower gel all the time, but Mom likes bar soap, and I picked this up so she could put it in her shower on her ledge. I thought it was a great deal for $1.25, and when it, you know, you can clean it off, or when you want a new one, you just toss it, and that's a great deal. Then the last thing I picked up, I love their handmade cards, as you know. And I thought this with the X and the O, it's kind of like a shaker card, was so adorable. And then it just says, you will always have my heart and you'll always be my sweetheart. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. And then this, I guess you can put like either to seal it. I think that's what that's really for, to seal your envelope. It's a heart. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. So that is everything I found today at the dollar. I'm telling you, it is like hidden gems all over. You walk in there, you never know what you're going to get. But I have noticed, let me know in the description box below, have you noticed your Dollar Tree is becoming much more organized and everything? It's looking more high-end in there. They really are up to something, and I'm loving it. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is Maggie. How are you today? Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Are you sad the snow's melting? She said, yes, Mama, I'm so sad the snow is melting, but it has to go because I have my whole yard almost back now. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.